Well, hey everyone, it's 7 Jeff Yang. How you guys doing? So this is going to be the very first time I'm going to try and take apart my Carbon Z T-28 from E-Flight and get it into my car, which is a kind of passenger car, which the back seats don't fold down. So I have a couple of ideas here on how to get this into my car because it is a giant airplane, with 78-inch wingspan, but it does come apart. So I'm going to put on a video of T-28s in real life flying as I take this apart. And if I have any pearls of wisdom to throw in there, I'll pause the video and talk to you guys. But other than that, here we go. Let's get this thing into my car for the first time. Okay, guys. So guys, that video was about 8 minutes long, so about 8 minutes to take it apart. I would say that was my first time actually ever trying to take it apart. So I figure I'll probably get a little better at it next time. Like I, took off the wings before I actually made the disconnections, which I shouldn't have done. So anyway, let's get these wings apart here. I think maybe I'll leave the spar in one side of the wing here. Okay, so let's take this thing downstairs and try and get it inside my car. Well, okay guys, I have my front seat laid all the way back. I was thinking about putting the fuselage in there, but now that the tail section is off, I'm gonna pop the seat back up and see if I can just lay the fuselage straight across the back seat and see if it'll fit. I'm hoping that it will. Oh yeah. Yeah, maybe not quite. Need to move the seat forward. Woohoo! Yeah. Easy peasy. Okay, guys, that was a whole lot easier than I thought. I actually didn't need to put anything even in the trunk. I thought maybe I'd have to put the wings in the trunk, but next time I do this, I'll probably put the tail section down and the motor section up so it's a little easier to fit in there. But hey, I got it in the car, so thanks for joining me on this really quick video, but I'm super happy to hopefully made in this airplane this weekend. So thought I'd give you guys a little teaser of me packing the thing up. Anyway, thanks guys.